Industrial companies have been shaped by cost pressures and constant change for decades. What exactly does that mean? Every company wants to be faster, more efficient, increasing productivity, and finally to get more competitive. To increase your profit, you can increase your sales or you optimize the whole process. Even if you have good running machines and techniques, well-trained staff, despite these conditions, even perfect systems fail in practice. Where should you start to optimize? How much does it cost? What do you need? What kind of savings are possible? And how would you make these decisions? So within the next minute, I will tell you how you get the answer for all those questions. So my name is Matthias Pfeffer. I'm professor at the HDBW, teaching industrial engineering, system thinking, and data-driven decision making. So, and I'm gonna help students understand how complex technical systems like a production and logistics system, business processes, and human decisions interact, and how to manage them intelligently. Combining interaction of financial issues with industrial resources like machines, material, and human resources, that's the thing we're gonna do here. Why this matters today? In former times, companies concentrate on optimizing the single technology, but technology can be copied easily. But nowadays, planning and optimization focus on the whole value stream and even on the whole supply chain. And that makes industrial engineering more important than ever. Intelligent systems, international competitors, digitalization, and significant dependencies worldwide within the international supply chain. Nevertheless, people and human resources still play a major role in that field of work. What does that mean for the process and organization? So they are getting more and more complex and have to be faster and more flexible and of course more resilient. How do you analyze and optimize finally? How do you plan such processes, value streams, and even the whole supply chain, which is worldwide existing? And in this field we focus on three essentials. The first thing, how does the system really work? So we identify bottlenecks, we identify waste, hidden friction across the process. Thereby we are looking at the whole supply chain at a glance. What kind of waste can we discover? What is useful? What's a value added and a non-value added process? How can we measure it? Second, how do we make better decisions with data? We use different ways to analyze single machines, the value stream, or even the whole process. We figure out what is the value added work and what's a non-value added work, which is necessary or not. And what is waste? So how do people technology work together? We calculate the current state and we design evaluated future scenarios based on benefit and cost calculation to make strategy decisions. This includes people, technologies, and environmental issues. Performance isn't just engineering, it's industrial engineering. Here's the mindset. We are optimizing processes, not machines or products. We are concentrating on a holistic view of the company. We are using facts and figures to prepare and make decisions. Because in the end, industrial engineering is about turning complexity into clarity and clarity into measurable results. If you want to learn more, stay curious. More expert voices from HDBW are coming soon.